to, presented by the San Pedro College BSMLS student. Things to do: recite the answers of the data sheets question. Give a satisfying conclusion of your DIA. H. Experiment. First task.
Good day everyone, this is part 2 of our Do It At Home experiment. My name is Jonathan Makailing and I'm here to represent to you today the 4 questions and their answers, as well as the 2 guided questions and our conclusions. Now that is done, let us now have our questions, which I have right here. Question number 1. How do elements differ from compounds? Elements are substances that are made up of one type of atom. An element cannot be broken down into any other substances. Compounds are substances made from atoms of different elements, joined by chemical bonds. They can only be separated by chemical reaction. For our number 2, the question is, what is the difference between a homogeneous and a heterogeneous mixture? A homogeneous mixture has only one phase throughout the solution, while a heterogeneous mixture has more than one distinct phase in the mixture. In a heterogeneous mixture, not all parts of the mixture has the same composition. Now for our third question, how do separation techniques differ from one another? Separation techniques differ from one another in a way that each has a different characteristics that is employed according to the type of mixture, which can be categorized as homogeneous or heterogeneous. Several physical methods can be used to separate homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture into their constituents. The type of mixture and the difference in the chemical properties of the constituents of a mixture influence the separation technique used. For our fourth, what are the advantages of using decantation as a separation technique? Decantation is the process of separating sediments from liquid. Decantation is a simple procedure. It is possible to do it. It can easily separate insoluble sediments or immiscible liquids. Now, to answer the other questions, are all separation techniques applicable for all types of mixtures? No. Different mixtures possess their own unique or different properties and composition. Therefore, not all separation techniques are applicable for all types of mixtures. For the second bonus question, we have what particular organ in the body do you think applies separation technique for fluid mixture? Our answer is the kidneys in our body is an example of a separation technique that concerns with the liquid substances entering our body. This is our conclusion. For the conclusion, we have stated that a chemical substance, either compound or pure, can be found everywhere, whether it is at home or outside. Chemical substances with a variety of different characteristics possess their own way of classification as well as different techniques of separation. In the end, chemicals are everywhere, and sometimes the most basic types of information help us differentiate them from one another. And from the quote of Maanya Jain, chemistry is a mystery of chemicals, and chemists are the detectives who solve these mysteries.
End of presentation. Thank you for watching.